Audi revolutionized the auto industry by creating a four-wheel driving system for road cars. The Audi Quattro took advantage of this new technology to dominate Group B rally racing, a new division of auto racing that removed almost all design and power restrictions. The Quattro A1 debuted at the 1983 Monte Carlo Rally and went on to win races in Sweden and Portugal. The A2 won a total of 8 world rallies, 3 in 1983 and 5 in 1984. The lack of restrictions, coupled with extremely high horsepower, ultimately led to the end of Group B racing. As other companies rushed to develop their own all-wheel drive systems, a series of fatal accidents ended Group B racing. Quattro lives on today as Quattro GmbH, the tuning arm of Audi, building their highest performance models. The Quattro all-wheel drive system is considered the benchmark for all other all-wheel drive.